Come see this gorgeous 3-year young townhome in the desirable Spring Mills area. This spacious home offers over 3,000 finished square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. The main level welcomes you with an open floor plan, where you will find your main living room and kitchen. The kitchen features granite countertops, recessed lighting, pendant lighting, a pantry, LVP flooring, stainless steel appliances and a kitchen island. Take a step out the back door onto your deck where you will enjoy country views. Upstairs features the primary suite with a walk-in closet and primary bath featuring a soaking tub, separate stand-alone shower and dual vanities. Down the hall is the guest bathroom, laundry room and 2 additional bedrooms, one with a large walk-in closet. The lower level has much to offer with a 4th bedroom, a full bath, storage room and spacious family room.